So I thought I'd do a little update on my excavator and how I'm doing since I haven't posted a video for a little while. So anyway, I'll take you over there, show you what I've got done, and then show you where I'm at with things. So it's got some moisture on it, but the other day I finished this up. This is mostly hard-faced metal, so it doesn't it's like stainless steel almost. And this is more of the flux core stuff, so it rusts up, and it got moisture right here. So anyway, but yeah, all the sides are built up and then ground down on all these areas right here. So got all that done. And the last 2 days I've been working on the rest of it over here in the shop. So I've been working on this this hub, front idler wheel hub here that goes in those slots. And I got all the welding done. This is a hard-faced hard-faced rod, and so I built that up, and now I'm starting to grind it down. So what I'm doing is going off of these surfaces here and here as gauges to get this squared off, and this surface. So I'm able to measure how wide this needs to be, but these side guides here, or whatever you call them, I'm gonna have to actually take this over there physically and try to just fit it in and see if it fits, and then grind it down, and then try to fit it again, and until I get it right, because I don't really have any good way to measure and gauge that. So but I'm getting very close at this point. And then the end of it here, what I'm gonna do is kind of grind this down flat again, and then I'll weld I'll cut a piece of this real thick pipe. I'll cut a piece out, and then I'll weld it onto the end here, so we'll have like maybe an inch or so sticking out. And then that way this tensioner piston will fit inside the pipe. And even if this loses tension and there's a little bit of a slack, you know, between this surface and the idler wheel yoke, it won't like fall out of place. So that's what happened this last time it fell. It slipped over top of this and went over in the other direction. So anyway, I am getting very close. I haven't had to use the generator too much, but I did get it fixed. It turned out it was a spark plug, this last problem, so replaced the spark plug and it worked fine. It did break the choke butterfly valve on the new carburetor, so that was kind of a bummer. But anyway, it's come along. This thing's been kicking my butt though. I've spent like, I think 2 weeks working on this, trying to get all the welding and grinding done, and I had no idea how long it would take to get all this done. So I really underestimated my my time here, and I'm glad I'm not doing this for somebody else, because I would have estimated way less time than it would have actually taken. So anyway, it'll be nice. I'm very close to getting it done at this point, so it'll be super nice to have the excavator running, so I can start moving cars and selling them, and digging ditches and ponds and pulling trees out of the ground and stuff like that. So yep, almost there.